Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here I have the GWG-1000, the Mudmaster, and I'm going to show you how to sync your analog and digital time, or how to correctly position your watch hands. This watch has a cool function, and that is automatically calibrating or setting your watch hands, which means that you are not going to need to fine-tune them using the upper or lower button or manually tune them, so the watch will automatically do that process for us. First of all, we have to be in the standard timekeeping mode. So to enter the standard timekeeping mode, simply press and hold this button, and the double beep indicates that we are in the main time over here, and that is our standard timekeeping mode. Next step is to unscrew the crown until it pops up. And there it is. Next up, pull the crown, and it's indicated CD over here, which means that we have pulled the crown out. Next up, press this button and hold it for 5 seconds until the watch beeps. And there it is. It says it's hand adjust. And now we simply let the watch do its job, or automatically align our watch hands. It's very important, whilst in this stage, to not touch any of the buttons, especially the crown, so do not push the crown, let the watch do its job. The hands should position themselves exactly at 12 o'clock, which indicates that they are properly aligned. And we have, the watch says to push the crown back in, which means that the process has ended. Push it back in, the beep. Now, what's left is to screw it back up. And we have properly aligned our watch hands, which means that the analog time corresponds to our digital time display. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe. So thank you.